Hurricane Sandy crashing on shore, winds now at 90 miles per hour, and this storm is so big, so vast, 60 million Americans will feel its power.
The Living Breakwaters project is a testament to the power of community, innovation, and collaboration in the face of climate change. It all began in the aftermath of Superstorm Sandy, which devastated the south shore of Staten Island in 2012.
The devastation was unbelievable. The destruction to homes, was just something that's very difficult to describe.
In the wake of the disaster, there was a call for action, a need to rebuild not just stronger, but smarter. This led to the Rebuild by Design competition, a groundbreaking initiative that sought innovative solutions to protect communities from future storms. The project was ambitious and required a unique partnership between the community, the designers, and the state.
Part of what made the Living Breakwaters successful in its design and implementation was a huge focus on community engagement. We, working with our private partners and as the state of New York, had dozens of engagement meetings with the Citizens Advisory Committee made up of residents, stakeholders, business owners, local fishermen that were engaged in the process of the design.
We did not make giant, unique, non-replicable precast structures for this. They are built using traditional breakwater rubble mound construction methods and technology deployed in new ways with new creative elements. And so you can see both on the main breakwater trunk, but also on these reef ridges that you get a lot of that intertidal habitat that doesn't exist today.
The breakwaters were carefully designed to not only break waves, but also to provide habitat for marine life. They were built with special concrete units and tide pools that would encourage the growth of oysters and other organisms, creating a thriving ecosystem.
This project is not only protective, right? It's reducing wave action, it's replenishing the shoreline, but it's also bringing back this historic condition of intertidal structure in the water there.
The Living Breakwaters is more than just a physical structure. It's a story of community, innovation, and a commitment to a more resilient future. It's a model for how we can work with nature, not against it, to protect our communities from the increasing threats of climate change.
With the completion of the Living Breakwaters project, community members, our private partners, and New York State all have a project that we can be proud of, and one that protects residents of Tottenville from the worst impacts and the most dire impacts that led to a loss of life in the community.
The Living Breakwaters stand as a beacon of hope, a testament to what can be achieved when we work together to build a better future for ourselves and the planet.